Hi, I'm Emily, one of the founders at Honest Waves. Let's talk about how our LED pop-up tables can help marketing agencies like you create unforgettable experiences for your clients. When it comes to events, flexibility matters. Our LED pop-up tables feature reusable fabric that can be refreshed for every event, showcasing your clients' logos, campaigns, or sponsors effortlessly. Whether it's a product launch or a gala, these tables adapt to the occasion, making them a long-term investment for your agency and your clients. Beyond aesthetics, our tables are functional and interactive hubs. They provide attendees with a place to charge devices, connect with others, and engage in your client's brand, all in one convenient space. It's a practical way to enhance the attendee experience while making the event virtually stunning. What makes our LED pop-up table a favorite among agencies? They're lightweight, travel-friendly, and simple to assemble with plug-and-play setup. You can focus on delivering exceptional events without getting bogged down by the logistics. So if you're looking for a versatile, eye-catching, and brand-forward solution for your clients' events, let's connect and explore how our pop-up tables can bring your vision to life.